99.9% of all women want a guy who is this part too. Kinds of fulfilling closeness with sentimental accomplices. Bring experience and fervor into the relationship, in protected and welcome ways. Challenge your accomplice's viewpoints and permit your very own to be tested too. Open yourself up to new encounters and perspectives as you make it sheltered and welcoming for your accomplice to do likewise. Scholarly incitement keeps connections dynamic. Friendship and organization oblige fellowship and make the pace that keeps most long-haul connections pushing ahead. Nobody acknowledges how little vitality they may have for sexual exercises once kids show up, or occupations request longer hours, or disease or inability happen. There will be times when steadfast friendship is the thing that both of you need most from one another. Saying "I love you" may not be simple. These words can be profoundly charged. Tragically, a few people accept that idiom that makes them helpless and bound to be harmed. Your accomplice, however, has the right to be made mindful of your adoration. On the off chance that expression those three words simply won't occur, ensure you show your accomplice love in manners that issue most to her. We as a whole need to feel adored. With respect to sex, ladies ask that men don't make everything about sex, that is, don't do favors that you expect will bring about sexual favors being accomplished for you. Your great conduct ought not be seen just as a method towards a specific end. Great sex can be purchased, and by expecting sex as a result for accomplishing something that satisfies your accomplice, you transform a conceivably sentimental experience into a greater degree a business bargain. Rare are the ladies who need to feel that they owe sex to an accomplice. Sexual exercises that are equipped to satisfying your accomplice, not simply yourself, are what your accomplices need you to give. Sex ought to be a fun experience that enables accomplices to investigate and grow their sexual association, not only a redundancy of the regular old. As one member shared, men need to jettison the legend of female sexual immaculateness for the last time. With the correct accomplice, ladies appreciate sex just as much as a man. What everybody merits. Ladies need the men in their lives to be women's activist partners who need to see the ladies in their lives succeed just as much as they need to make the most of their own prosperity. Men should set aside some effort to perceive and recognize a lady's qualities and regard her for all that she brings to their relationship. Furthermore, with regards to sentimental association, ladies need very similar things men need. They may very well need them in an alternate request.